Welcome to FutureFinder.ai, your personalized education and career advising platform designed to help you make informed decisions for a brighter future. Let's get started. First, sign up to create your account. It's quick and easy. Next, create your profile by uploading your resume, if you have one, and filling in your basic details. This step is crucial as it allows our advanced GPT-4-based AI to understand your background, skills, and interests. The more accurate and complete your profile is, the better our AI can generate questions to learn more about you and provide personalized recommendations. On the home screen, you'll see 3 top institution choices based on your preferences and profile. Fine-tune these recommendations by answering more questions through the Fine-Tune button. You'll also find 3 career pathway options displayed below. Click the icon in the bottom left corner to invoke your AI Genie. It's context-aware, meaning it understands your current situation and can dynamically interact with you, asking follow-up questions to ensure you receive the most accurate and relevant guidance. When you start the AI Genie, you'll see a suggestions bar with prompts to help you get started. These handy tips will guide you on how to make the most of your AI Genie experience. Want more information about a particular institution? Simply click on it or use the search bar to find what you're looking for. Explore personalized details about each institution, including course recommendations and step-by-step guidance on the application process. The application guide is tailored to your location and profile, ensuring a smooth experience customized just for you. FutureFinder.ai is your ultimate guide to navigating education and career pathways. Start your journey today and unlock your potential with the help of AI-powered insights and personalized recommendations. Get ready for an exciting future with FutureFinder.ai.